Hello everyone, today we're going to be working on the multiple choice question 4.42. And this question is saying that the wind has blown sand over a platform such that the intensity of load can be approximated by the function that the weight is equal to 1/2 x to the third newtons over meters. It's asking us to simplify this distributed loading to a single concentrated force and specify the magnitude and location of the force measured from A. So here we have our function. We know also the highest or the ultimate weight, and it's asking us to find a single concentrated force and to say exactly where it's located. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to be finding that specific concentrated force, the resultant force in a way. So we can find that by using this equation where our force is equal to the integral of x equals 0 to, we know that it has a span of 10 meters. So 10 meters. And then it's given to us that the weight um, can be approximated by the function 1/2 x to the third dx. So from here, we'll just solve the integral equation. We would get 1/2 x to the 4 over 4 from 0 meters to 10 meters. If we simplify that, we would get x to the 4th over 8 from 0 to 10. If we continue simplifying, we would get 10 to the 4 over 8 minus, we know that the second part would be 0, so 0 is equal to 1,250 newtons. So I'm just going to write it down here. Our resultant force has, or that single concentrated force has a force of 1,250 newtons. So now the second step would be determining the location or how far it is from that point A. Because it says to find the location of the force measured from A. So we have our A right here. So now we just have to determine how far it is from that location. So to find the location, we will use the equation, the integral again of from 0 to 10 of x times, once again, our function, 1/2 x to the third dx, all over our resultant force. So if we simplify that, you'd get our integral of 0 to 10 of 1/2 x to the 4th dx, and we know that our resultant force is equal to 1,250 newtons. If we simplify this, we would end up getting 1/2 x to the 5th over 5 over 1,250 newtons from 0 to 10 meters. And then if we simplify that down, we would get x to the 5th over 10 over 1,250 newtons, once again from 0 to 10. And then if we simplify that down again, we would end up getting 10 to the 5th over 10 minus 0 all over 1,250 newtons. And that should end up giving you 10,000 Newton meters over 1,250 newtons, giving us that location of the single or the concentrated force is exactly 8 meters away from point A. So once again, this multiple choice question was asking us to find the concentrated force and to also specify the magnitude and the location of that force measured from A. So from there, what we did is we took this equation to find our concentrated force, and with that, we were able to determine the magnitude. So as you can see, we have 1,250 newtons, and then from there to find the location, we use this equation, giving us a location of exactly 8 meters from point A. And as you can see, we also got that 8 meters. So the answer would be this option. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please feel free to like this video. And if you guys would like to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe to our channel.